After Piazza San Marco we went to Santa Maria della Salute. It stands on the narrow finger of Punta della Dogana, between the Grand Canal and the Giudecca Canal, at the Bacino di San Marco, making the church visible when entering the Piazza San Marco from the water. The Salute is the most recent of the so-called plague churches. You have two options for getting to Santa Maria della Salute: on foot or by boat. If you want to take the water bus, get on a Line 1 service and jump off at Salute. In 1630, Venice experienced an unusually devastating outbreak of the plague. As a votive offering for the city's deliverance from the pestilence, the Republic of Venice vowed to build and dedicate a church to Our Lady of Health. Most of the objects of art housed in the church bear references to the Black Death. On the third weekend of July each year, Venetians hold an event called La Festa del Redentore, both a religious and popular festival, to commemorate the end of the devastating plague of 1575 to 1577, which killed, in the span of 2 years, more than 50,000 Venetians, among whom the great painter Tiziano Vecellio. Every year for the Feast of the Redeemer, the city sets up a series of floats which allow people to walk across the water from Fondamenta del Zattiere to Giudecca Island, just as the Venetians did in 1577. Firework plays an important role in the Feast of the Redeemer in Venice.